Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to block someone in a WhatsApp group. All right, so let's begin. So the first thing that you need to know is that you cannot directly block someone inside a WhatsApp group to stop them from sending messages to the group. But you can block them personally so they won't be able to message you directly, see your status, or call you. So to block someone, open up the WhatsApp app on your mobile device and make sure it is updated to the latest version. After that, over here, open the chat of the person you want to block. Then tap on their name at the top of the screen. Over here, you will see the block option. Tap on it. After that, you need to tap block again to confirm. Now, even though this person is still in the group, they won't be able to message you privately or view your updates. If you want, you can also mute the group or remove the person from the group if you are an admin. Over here, if the person is violating WhatsApp's rules, you can also report them by tapping on the report option. So that's basically how you can block someone in a WhatsApp group. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.